Hello and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now, this will be a quick project as it's something that's been done hundreds of times over, but it will be a first for myself. Now, with Christmas looming, my wife had suggested that I turn a pen for my brother-in-law. Initially, I was going to do it between centres, but my lathe tailstock does have difficulty centering. So JP Woodwork suggested that I do get a pen mandrel. So I did just that and got the size 1 from Styles and Bates. Now, the only thing with this is my headstock doesn't have a space or big enough space for the taper to fit into. So I am going to use my pen jaws for it, which upon testing seem to work fine. So I've got also then the Sierra pen kit with its relevant bushings. And then I've got a teak pen blank given to me by Dave the Mole Valley Maker. So anyway, let's get going and I hope you enjoy. Well, there you go. There's my first pen. A lot of fun doing this, and obviously a lot still to learn, but really love the effect of the teak. So thank you, Dave, for giving me that. Anyway, Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.